Fraser here from Sherwood Park Dodge. We've got an exciting new trade-in here to 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT here in this nice white. It does come with the black alloy wheels here. Being a GT, this is extremely loaded. As you see, it has the full leather, full power seat there, as well as heated seats and heated wheel. It is equipped with the GPS navigation as well. There's only 35,000 kilometers on this van here, as you can see as well, in excellent condition. Power doors, remote start, power liftgate here as well. With all the Stow and Go fun options. If you'd like to book a test drive or have a closer look, feel free to message me on Facebook or call me at 780-977-3852.